everyone, it's Jeff from Mantiques Network. Happy Friday to you. Get ready for the weekend. Gonna go spend the time on the beach watching my daughters play some volleyball. Not a bad thing to do in the middle of January. Anyways, I'm wondering what I do for a living here. Today what we have here along of our tobacco products or toy lines is a McGregor Smoking Man. That's a toy, battery operated. Looks like somewhere between a cigar joint and a cat turd. But anyways, this is how this little gem works. What the hell are you doing for a living today? This is what I'm doing. You see. All right, takes a drag and look, he blows out. He did blow out some smoke, so you might have to fill that up or whatever that is. But he did blow out some smoke when I first turned it on. You see it lighting up there. Get his eyes. Anyways, it's a piece of work. If you're into tobacco, toys, or whatever, this might be for you.